Hey everybody, today I'm going to be repairing this little wooden tray we have. It fell and a piece chipped off. I'm going to use this Weld KwikWood. It's wood repair epoxy. And so what I'm going to need to do is pop this thing out. There we go right there. And then you just take out the desired amount that you want. Just cut it off. I'm going to use got some scissors right here. And also I have some gloves because I don't want this stuff all over my hand. And I'm just going to use the container, the packaging that the Weld came in to mix up the epoxy. And so this is a pretty small area, so I don't need a whole lot. I'm just gonna cut off like maybe a fingered width right there. And I think that should be enough. So let's do that real quick and I'll mix it up on the little packaging. So real quick, when you are mixing this up, it's got two different colors and it says to just mix it up till it all becomes one uniform color. So I'm just gonna kind of mix this around. I guess I'm not really using the bottom there, or the packaging. Just doing this in my hand. Just kneading it over and over again. So you don't really need to watch this, but I'll get it to where it's ready to go and then we'll go from there. Okay, so it looks like we've got it all the same color and now it says to press it firmly to the area to be repaired. So I'm gonna go ahead and do that and then we'll make sure I have enough and we will put the broken piece back on there. And it says that you can use this for about 15 to 25 minutes is how long you can mess with it before it's no longer usable. And then after an hour, it says that you can actually sand it, like drill through it, all sorts of stuff. So I'm gonna try and go ahead and get this done. I may have a little too much, so I'm gonna start with just a little bit and just press it into this area that I want it to be secured to. And after I put the old piece back on, I'm gonna go ahead and remove anything that's sticking out. All right, so that's kind of in there. Now let's fit this back to where it used to be. It'll take a little bit just because the putty is trying to displace the wood. Let's see here, there we go. That's fitting pretty good. So now I'm just gonna scrape off all the other stuff real quick. All right, that took a little bit of fiddling, but I believe I got it to where I want it to be. And so, got the putty, it's kind of sticking out on the seams there, but I'm just gonna go ahead and let that stay there. And we will sand it once this is all cured. But I got it sitting back where it was. It's not raised up or anything, so I think we are ready to go. So we'll get a video of after this cures and see what it looks like. All right, it has been a few hours, so the putty has set, and I'm gonna go ahead and try and sand it down. I've got some coarse sandpaper here, and I've got a fine disc right there that I'm gonna use. I'm just gonna do it by hand. So we'll start, see if I can get some of this bigger pieces off and get it smooth. It looks like it's just sanding down regular. Once I get these big chunks off, then we'll switch to the finer sandpaper. So we'll just keep doing this for a minute. I'll get this a little closer so you can see, but just the like the globs that were left when I put the putty on there. So I'll do this for a few minutes and then we will see what it looks like when I'm done with the coarse sandpaper. Here's what it looks like after finishing with the coarse sandpaper. It looks like it's still kind of bumpy, but it is nice and smooth. And so I'm gonna go ahead and start using the fine sandpaper just to finish it up a little bit. And then hopefully there'll be little evidence that this was here and I can maybe use a little bit of stain to get this thing back to the way it looked when it was unbroken. Okay, here's what we're left with after using the fine sandpaper. And I've got it really smooth now. Just go right across there. You don't feel any ridges or anything. It's all kind of blended in there. So what we'll do now is get some stain. Actually, I'm gonna let my wife do that. But I think this is it for the video on just repairing it. So this is in there, it's nice and solid now. We can use this again as a little tray. So yeah, I think the Wood Weld works pretty well. And it was pretty easy. Just took a little bit of time trying to get it to mold it and then dry it, but overall looks like it did its job. So once we color match it with the stain, this thing should be good as new. All right, hopefully this helped. You guys have a good one.